So when you reach Bullara Station, this is what you're greeted with. And drive on in through here over the grid, and reception is immediately up and to the right. Don't go anywhere because they guide everybody individually to your own site, which is a great service. So your designated check-in person should be looking for this gate up here and sign that, funnily enough, says reception, which is located in the main homestead. So here we are, Bullara Station, and it is busy as busy. Check-in's at 11, we arrived 10 minutes early and we're in the queue. And once you've checked in, you'll drive to this point here, which funnily enough says this is where you'll meet your host to take you to your campsite. And as I said, just sit here, wait, and the boys will come get you, or girl, and take you to your designated site. And like every park, they've got a great camp kitchen. Go and check it out. This is where they do the damper cooking demonstration as well. And all around the park you'll find these little buildings, which of course are the facilities. So they're all pretty good. Come take a quick look. There you go. All right, you're not coming in here. Also there's a laundry and clotheslines for those who need to do a bit of that. If you're lucky enough to get a booking for dinner, this is where you have it, in the converted shooting shed, which is also home to the cafe. And they do good scones and pies and coffees. Is the superstar, like this bloke here.
I didn't know you were
He's
doing
the tour
that.
guide par excellence. He's the one you want. Make sure.
Ask for me.
Ask for him by name. Please,
Hey.
the man. Cheers, bro.
Good
One
on.
of the other dining options here at the station is Charlie's Pizzas. The guys come down, I think, from Exmouth, and they're here a week this time setting up. And I can tell you, not bad. So Bullara is a working cattle station. It's about 250,000 square kilometres, and they run about 3,500 head of drought master cattle. So September's the main muster time. So it's a busy time up here at that time of the year. This is pretty empty at the moment. 67 checkouts this morning. Come 11 o'clock, no vacancies again tonight. And this is us, Camp 65. So really well located. Got the camp kitchen that way, toilets and bathroom just behind us, and far enough away from the generator that doesn't drive you crazy all night. So if you're staying at Bullara and you want to go down to their boat ramp, this is where you go. So as you can see, the road in is reasonably corrugated, and we've only just got going. there you go, the road at Bullara into their boat ramp. Pretty corrugated, 20 k's in, 20 k's out. Definitely need to air down. So that's Bullara Station, done and dusted. It's a great place to make as your base if you're down this or up this way. Not far to you know, Exmouth and Coral Bay and all that sort of thing. You've got walks and entertainment, and yeah, great facilities, great staff. So check it out if you're in the area.